Hi guys, it's Deborah from Timeless Jewel by Deborah. So today I am opening up a fun box. This one is from Phoenix, Arizona. So fingers crossed. I am looking forward to some gifts and other good resellable items. So welcome. I am Deborah, Timeless Jewel by Deborah. If you're interested in any of these items, I will pop up a green card on the screen at the end, and it will have all the ordering instructions. So, all right, this is the box we got. So let's start with the box in the box. All right, oh, that's pretty. It is, I'm not sure if there's a name on it. That doesn't look like there is a name. Oh, it's a Longines. All the information is in there. It is a watch. It is silver tone, or excuse me, gold tone with a gray. It's definitely been used. It's an imitation leather, so I will have to look that up, and if it is sellable, I will put a price up on the screen. So number one. Number two looks like a baggie of faux pearls. Let's see, it is J. Crew. There is a little bit of wear here, but those are precious. Jewelry is always a good thing. All right, next up, oh, this is cool. So this is a bracelet. It's heavy, wow. Tory Burch. It is a Tory Burch bracelet. Really pretty. A little bit of scratching. I can never get these things open. It's so funny. I try to do it on screen. I will definitely try to take some pictures. So, well, that's great. Tory Burch. We've got Bella and Jack, set of two doubles as a mask holder. So what these are glasses holders, but you can also use it as a mask holder. I love these because I always lose my glasses. So it is a 2-pack. All right. Then we got a new claw clip by Scoonchy. So these are always good, especially for people like me that have big hair. All right. Okay. Usually when we get glasses, they come in a brown box. Well, these are just laying in there. These are like big and dusty, and there is a number on it. UV 400 China. There's some verdigris maybe? I'm not even sure. So these are big. And I have a big face, but these are big. But yeah, there's minor scratching, but all right. They're not that bad. All right. So we'll take a closer look at those. Put my glasses back on so I can see. All right, then we have a small acceleration bathing suit top. It's really adorable. That's cute. A little, it is padded. It is striped. So we got that. Got a pair of women's boot socks. Love these. These are always great. Sometimes I'll clump these together. And if I do have extra socks, those go to the shelter as well. All right, then we've got a new pair of body glove, size small undies. So that's something that's resellable. All right, we got a huge Steve Madden backpack. This is nice. Let's make sure that it's not like icky or anything. Okay, so it's not new with the tag because there's no tag, but it's clean. Nothing wrong with it, so that's great. All right, so Steve Madden for one. 2 with the undies. 3 with the socks. 4 with the bathing suit top. 5 with the Tory Burch. 6 with the watch. 7 with the faux pearls. 8 with the glasses. 9 with the scrunchie. And 10 with the Bella and Jack glasses holder. All right, you guys, so let me know if there's any of these pieces that you would turn around and resell, that you would like to gift, anything like that. So I will put up that green screen if you are interested in any of these pieces. And as always, please take care of each other, and I will see you guys really soon. All right, you guys, have a fantastic one. Bye.